Motorola unveils the Edge 60 and Edge 60 Pro, two brand new mid-range smartphones packed with some seriously impressive features, including a 50MP triple camera setup, an ultra-bright 4500 nit POL display, and a water-resistant chassis with a sleek, stylish design that truly catches the eye. The top-end Edge 60 Pro even comes equipped with a massive 6,000 mAh battery that supports both fast wired and wireless charging, making it a powerhouse for everyday use. Motorola is positioning these two devices as premium mid-range contenders, with the regular Edge 60 costing €100 more than the already well-received Edge 60 Fusion. And when it comes to design, the entire Edge 60 family looks incredibly cohesive, thanks to curved displays, textured fabric backs, and distinctive square camera bumps housing those three powerful lenses. Both the Edge 60 and Edge 60 Pro feature a 6.67-inch 120Hz POL panel, boasting a peak brightness of 4,500 nits for unbeatable outdoor visibility, and in-display fingerprint sensor for seamless security. IP68 certification means these phones are ready to withstand water and dust, perfect for users who need durability, without sacrificing style. But what really sets these new devices apart is the upgraded camera system, each sporting a 50MP f/1.8 main sensor, a 50MP f/2.0 ultra-wide lens, a 10MP f/2.0 telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a brilliant 50MP f/2.0 selfie shooter, all enhanced by Pantone tuning for stunningly accurate colors and natural skin tones. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge 60 runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chip, paired with a strong 5,200 mAh battery that supports 68W fast charging via USB-C, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day with minimal downtime. Meanwhile, the Edge 60 Pro takes it even further with a Dimensity 8350 processor and even larger 6,000 mAh battery, capable of 90W wired charging and up to 15W wireless charging, delivering incredible performance and stamina for power users on the move. In terms of availability and pricing, the Motorola Edge 60 is now on sale across several European markets, offering 12GB RAM and 512GB storage for just €429, while the Motorola Edge 60 Pro is expected to follow soon, priced at €599 for the same generous configuration, though sadly, a US launch seems unlikely at this point. With top-notch displays, premium camera setups, massive batteries, and beautiful designs, Motorola's new Edge 60 series is shaping up to redefine expectations for mid-range smartphones. And we at TechVerse cannot wait to see how they perform in real-world usage. So stay tuned. Make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Because here at TechVerse, we bring you the future of tech today